So today I will be doing my screencast on just some tips and tricks on Word 2016. So first of all, open Word. Open the blank document. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the text-to-speak feature on Word, which I didn't know about personally. I don't think many people know about. First, just click this arrow, click More Commands, then go to the Quick Access toolbar, change Popular Commands to All Commands. This will just take a second. Now go and find Speak. Add this. This gets added to the top here, to this part. You can't use it without typing something, so just type a sentence. Right, so if you then copy this and press this button, it means that it'll read out all what's on the Word document, which can be handy for study purposes.